Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aftab Zahoor and my registration number is Fall 17 BME 007. Group members' names and registration numbers are Anis Qureshi, Fall 17 BME 009, Sher Ali, Fall 17 BME 109, Abu Bakr Qayyum, Fall 17 BME 129. Our project is about gas leakage detector. First of all, I will show the components of gas leakage detector. Arduino UNO, which is the microcontroller of the gas leakage detector. MQ2 gas sensor, which detects the gas. Logic toggle, LED green, LED red, resistors, LCD. First of all, I will show you the connections between MQ2 gas sensor, logic toggle and Arduino UNO. These are the connections between Arduino UNO, MQ2 gas sensor and logic toggle. Now I will show you the connections between resistors and LED lights and ground. These are the connections between LED lights, resistors and Arduino UNO. Now after that I will show you the connections between LCD lights and Arduino UNO. These are the connections between LCD and Arduino UNO. All the connections in the circuit are completed. We will display the result of gas leakage using LCD display and two indicator lights. These indicator lights are green light and red light. Basically, green light shows that no leakage, and red light shows that there is a leakage. And MQ sensor use which MQ sensor is used for the detection of gas leakage, which is mostly used in consumer and industrial markets. The sensor is designed to detect the LPG, ibutane, propane, methane, hydrogen, and smoke. Basically, MQ2 sensor does not detect all these gases. MQ series consist of different sensors which detect these gases, like MQ2 detect LPG, MQ3 detect ibutane, MQ4 detect propane, MQ5 detect methane and hydrogen, and so on. As we know that Proteus is a simulating software, so it won't be able to detect the gas in real in Proteus. So we use test pin, which is the toggle, logic toggle. If we make test pin high, it means that gas is present, and if the test pin is low and the gas is not present and shows green light. This is the logic toggle which having test pin this. Now the test pin is high and now test pin is low. When test pin is low, then the green light shows that no leakage, and when test pin is high, then the red light shows that there is a leakage, and also there is a display of leakage on the LCD display. Now first we have to check the LED lights. We should kept in digital, not analog. Both of the LEDs are in digital. Now for the gas sensor hex file, we have to add it in the program file. This is the gas sensor hex file. Now the Arduino hex file. For this purpose we use Arduino software. I have wrote all the code, compile it, and I have generated the hex file. Compilation is complete. This is the hex file for Arduino, which is generated by the Arduino software. Now all the circuit is ready for the simulation. So first of all, start the simulation. Make sure that test pin is low, so green light displays and display shows that no gas detection, and then test pin is high, red light on, and display shows that gas detection. This is the simulation of the gas leakage detector. Basically, gas leakage sensors used in industries are of high frequencies and highest accuracies. Because gas leakage sensor is harmful for human life and also a trigger point for the ignition of fire.